Hello everyone. Today I would like to give you a tour of the Big Buddha Temple in Phuket, Thailand. This beautiful temple sits atop of a mountain, and it's going to be a little bit of a journey by scooter to get there. Make sure you look out for elephants, minibuses, and ATV tours that are coming up and down the mountain as you make your way all the way to the temple at the mountain's top. After climbing the many steps to the temple's top, you'll find the beautiful giant Buddha, as well as many statues of the Buddha praying in first teaching posture. This was the posture he taught his first disciples after enlightenment. You will also find many temple guardians known as Garuda. This being is incredibly powerful and has the ability to achieve whatever it wishes in life. He carries a heavy burden, but has been known as a symbol of unity for the Thai people. You will also find a monument to King Naresuan the Great. He helped Thailand achieve independence from the Burmese and established independence for the kingdom in 1584, as well as the great Rama V, who helped establish modernization in Thailand, abolishing slavery and protecting religious freedom. You will also find many monuments to Erawan, the god of all elephants. He is able to transform himself into a 33-head elephant, but is usually depicted with only 3 heads. This is a symbol of fertility and is actually found on many government logos. Once inside the temple, you can do the 7 minutes happy meditation, going through several positions as you meditate. You may notice that the temple is under some construction. Many temples in Thailand are very old, and they need constant refurbishing to keep from falling apart. The money that is collected from donations and people praying goes towards the upkeep of these beautiful temples. As a contribution to the temple, you can purchase a small metal heart, which you can write a message on, and it will remain at the temple blowing in the wind, passing your message on to the universe. If you walk past the tree of metal hearts, you'll follow a path to a wonderful viewing point. But on your way to the viewing point, you may encounter several monkeys. These monkeys may look really cute, and you may be tempted to pet them, but I recommend keeping your distance as they can bite, and they are known to take things from people. Things like shiny water bottles, jewelry, or bright colored objects are attractive to monkeys, and some of them are brave enough to snatch them right out of your hand and try to figure out if it's food. Viewing point is quite remarkable, and I suggest you don't let the monkeys keep you from seeing it. You will also find several monuments to Dharani Mata, a Hindu goddess of Mother Earth. Her posture of her wringing out water from her ponytail was ordered built by the Queen of Rama V. after drinking water was supplied to the people of Bangkok. Around the Buddha, you will find many golden statues of monks who were significant for their time. One of them is Lung Por Cham, abbot of the temple who was the most honored monk in Phuket during his time, as well as monk Luang Po Moon, a Vipassana teacher who was famous for asceticism. And before you leave, make sure to pet a lucky temple cat, as well as receive a blessing from a Buddhist monk for a small donation, which goes to upkeeping the temple. And after all that walking, you're going to want a foot massage, so they have these coconuts set up that you can massage your feet on. You also find a drum that, if you pet it just right, gives off a peaceful vibration. I much hope that someday you visit the Great Buddha Temple in Phuket, and I hope you've enjoyed the tour that I've given you here today. However, the temple is much more beautiful in person. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Go ahead, smash the like button. Feel free to leave a comment if you visited this temple and maybe I missed something. And as always, have a great day.